Holly Byrne, Teacher Sammy here. Hope you guys are all doing okay in this quarantine. I just want to sign on today to give you guys a quick little craft to do with the kids that also gets them working on their counting. So super basic, all you're going to need is 2 paper plates and something to color with. So to start, you're going to grab your first plate and you're going to divide the plate into 8 wedges. So a line down the middle vertically, horizontally, and then an X. Pretty much making a pizza. So if, like me, you are super OCD, by all means, grab a ruler, make it look pretty. Totally up to you. So after your lines, you should end up with something like this. Next, you are going to number off each section. And one thing I would advise is to kind of scatter the numbers around, just because you don't want the kids to go based off of memory. You want them to actually count and associate the number with the counted number. So you should end up with something like that. Next, you are going to grab plate number 2. So with plate number 2, you're basically going to do the same thing as plate number 1, but instead of drawing the lines, you're going to cut them out with your scissors. So again, cutting the plate right in half. An easy way to do this afterwards is to fold the 2 halves on top of each other, and then cut half again, and then cut each one of those in half one more time. Alright, so when you're done, you should end up with 8 wedges, kind of like this. So these are going to be the top pieces of the puzzle, and basically you're going to make a pizza. So you can do this any way you want, really depends on what you guys have laying around at home. So on each wedge, you're going to draw a certain amount of circles, corresponds to the numbers on plate 1. So for example, draw 1 circle for where we would find number 1. So again, creativity is totally up to you guys here. You can color in the circle, you can get a bingo dabber. If you don't have one, you can attach a cotton ball to the end of a clothespin. Use that, paint with Q-tips, stickers, whatever you guys want, as long as there is 1 circle or 1 sticker on the wedge, and that's it, you're golden. So once you're done that, and you've done all 8 wedges, and again, you can get the kids to color the whole thing first and then cut, design the pizza, 100% up to you. Then comes the counting part. So you would have your kid count each circle on each wedge and then try and find the number that corresponds to it. This is going to help them learn number recognition, and aside from counting, actually being able to associate it with what the number should look like. So once they count this one that is 1 circle, they would try and find slice number 1 on the other plate. Great thing with these is because the plates kind of have that rim, they fit perfectly on each spot, so super easy. Should have everything laying around at home. If not, you can always just use construction paper. It won't have the lip, but the same thing will happen. You can even get them to glue it down. You just won't be able to reuse it. But that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know how it goes. See ya.